What I wish I knew when my cat started wheezing. It might be asthma. Just like humans, cats can suffer from asthma too. So, what should you be looking for? Watch out for coughing, especially if it sounds dry and hacking. Wheezing or trouble breathing? That's another red flag. You might also notice your cat is more tired than usual or avoids exercise. And if their gums or tongue turn blue, that's a big emergency. Get to the vet ASAP. Remember, only a vet can diagnose feline asthma, so if you spot these symptoms, schedule a checkup. Keep your furry friend breathing easy and happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pet tips.